Welcome to the magical world of science. Today, we're going to explore the amazing world of plants and discover what makes them so special. I'm Miss Ray, and I'm thrilled to be joined by a very curious scientist in the making, Kaira. Have you ever wondered what the different parts of a plant do?
I think the leaves are for making food, but I'm not sure about the rest.
That's a great start. You're right, leaves do make food for the plant using sunlight. It's a bit like how Peppa Pig loves to play outside in the sun. Now, can you guess what the stem does?
Maybe it helps the plant stand up.
Exactly. The stem acts like a strong tower, holding the plant up. It also helps move water from the roots to the leaves. Speaking of roots, why do you think plants have so many of them?
Maybe to drink water from the ground?
Spot on. The roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil, just like how Masha from Masha and the Bear loves to explore and find new things. And what about flowers? Any ideas?
Flowers are pretty, but I'm not sure what they do.
Flowers are indeed beautiful, and they help plants make seeds so new plants can grow. It's like how Dora the Explorer loves to go on adventures and discover new places. Now, let's think like scientists. How can we learn more about plants?
We could look at a real plant and see all the parts.
Great idea! Observing a plant closely can teach us a lot. We can even make a model of a plant using paper, card, and string. What do you think we should include in our model?
We should have leaves, a stem, roots, and a flower.
Perfect. And when we make our model, we can label each part to remember what they do. Now, let's talk about something important. Do you know if all plant parts are safe to eat?
I think some are safe, like carrots, but not all.
That's right. Some plant parts, like carrots and apples, are safe and delicious. But we must be careful, because some can be harmful. Always check before eating any plant part. Now, can you tell me what you've learned today?
I learned that leaves make food, stems hold up the plant and move water, roots drink water, and flowers help make seeds.
Fantastic! You've done an amazing job exploring the world of plants. Thank you for joining the magical world of science. Keep being curious and remember, there's always more to discover in science.